If you have ever opened a website or an application, a mobile app or a web app, and you immediately get confused and uncertain of what next you're supposed to do, that product, that application, that website is probably missing UI and UX. In this video, I'll be showing you or explaining to you what UI and UX is, why it matters, and how you can get started in it. Hi, my name is DevCC. Let's start with UX. UX stands for user experience. User experience design. Now, user experience deals with the aspect of how your users feel when exploring, when utilizing application or going through a website, right? So the user experience can either be good or bad. If a user feels good using your app, everything flows well, seamless, that's a good user experience. But if they feel frustrated, confused while trying to use a particular app, that's a poor user experience. For example, if someone is trying to navigate through an application or a website and they are uncertain of what they should do, that's a poor user experience. Now, looking at the UI stands for users interface. Now, the user interface is the look and feel of a digital product, right? Talk about the colors, the typography, the patterns, the arrangement of how a particular product interface looks like, right? For example, when you look at Facebook, you notice how the colors are consistent, the buttons are consistent, the outline, the flow of everything here. So that's your user interface. A good user interface makes the product beautiful and easy to interact with. Think of UX as the structure of the house, the rooms, the flow, the experience, right? And then the UI as a decoration in that house, the chairs, the painting on the wall, the arts, the interior decoration, basically. Yeah. So that's UI and UX in a nutshell. If you want more of these, more topics around UI and UX design, please hit the subscribe button and like and share. Bye.